welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight, we are going to be continuing on our desk here, on our workbench. We're going to be doing some grinding out so that this piece isn't as splintery, and, you know. Also, a lot of people seem to think I don't got a jigamasaw. Or I don't know what a jigamasaw is. I know what a jigamasaw is. I just don't have one. These are the only power tools I have. And that's just what it is. I personally would rather save up and spend money on something like a piece of jewelry equipment. Like, people are saying, oh, it's, you know, like 20, 30 bucks. Yeah, well, so is this. And I needed this. It's a attachment for my Dremel that lets me use things like this. So yeah, I don't have a jigamasaw. I might eventually get one, but like I said, I don't really do woodworking a lot. I don't have a lot of... This is the only thing that I've needed a jigsaw for. So it's very hard for me to warrant and give credence to getting a jigsaw when I need a whole bunch of other tools for actual jewelry work. That's just what it is. But in any case, we are going to have a lot to do. So I need to get rid of this. I'll probably save it for making a peg or something. But for right now, it's kind of in the way. So, yeah, so let's get started. All right, well, we've gotten a lot done here. We sanded down, and I'll probably do a little bit more sanding with finer grit paper on the edges of this table. We put a peg in, which is great because I've never put a peg in. I know the concept. I kind of know what I'm supposed to do, But yeah, it's in there, and it's pretty freaking sturdy. I actually really like that. It came out really nice. So I hope that you all enjoyed this episode of Pendragon's Twisted Metals. I know that there's no metal right now, but you know, just trying to make a bench. That's all. So I hope that you all enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button. And if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell so then you get notified whenever I put out a video. I'm trying to do 2 videos a week. I know that this past week I didn't do a live. That was just bad timing with my job, doing 10-hour days plus whatever I do for driving right now, which is like an hour and a half to work and then an hour and a half back. So just getting home late and all that just is not helping with the doing the lives. So I am trying to do the lives. Just be a little patient. There's a lot going on. So in any case, I hope that you all enjoyed this episode and have a wonderful evening.